Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Improve your English. This story will help you improve your English speaking, listening, and vocabulary. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and learn with motivation. Once upon a time, a farmer planted a tiny bamboo seed in the ground. He watered it every day. He gave it sunlight. He took care of it with love. But after 1 year, nothing happened. He saw no plants, no leaves, nothing. His neighbors laughed at him. They said, "You are wasting your time. The seed is dead." But the farmer smiled and said, "I believe I will not never give up." So he continued to water the seed. The second year passed, but still nothing grew. The third year passed, still no growth. The fourth year passed, still the ground looked empty. People laughed louder. They said, "You are foolish. Why don't you stop?" But the farmer kept working silently. He believed in patience. He believed in hard work. Finally, in the fifth year, something amazing happened. A small green shoot came out of the ground. And then, within just 6 weeks, the bamboo grew over 80 feet tall. Yes, my friends, 80 feet tall. Now, let me ask you, did the bamboo tree really grow in 6 weeks? No, it grew in 5 years and 6 weeks. For 5 years, its roots were growing underground, strong, deep, and visible. Without strong roots, it could never stand tall. This is the same in our life. When you learn English, when you chase your dream, when you work hard, sometimes you don't see results immediately. People may laugh at you. They may say you can't do it. But remember the bamboo tree. Success takes time. Effort takes patience. And one day you will rise higher than anyone imagined. So, my friends, never give up. Keep learning, keep practicing English every day. Just like the farmer, be patient and consistent. Your success will come. If you enjoy this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more motivational English stories.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.